Bodie, Bodie, Bodie. Hey guys, so we're back at the dog park. It's July 11th. It's, what is this? Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, so we're back. It was a pretty hot day. We didn't get here until about 6 p.m. because it's pretty hot out here. So the temperature is actually 88 Fahrenheit right now, and the high was 90 something, I think about 95. So yeah, it was a hot day, so had to definitely wait to come up here. And yeah, so far the dogs haven't been that active because of the heat, but trying to get Bodie to exercise. We're here in the shade, so in the shade it's actually pretty decent, but when you go out of the shade, yeah, you really feel that heat. Oh man, what'd that dog ever do to him? Oh, what's wrong? I heard that. So I heard Bodie whine a bit, so I'm trying to figure out I don't know if he whacked himself with the rope. What did he do? I don't know if you guys heard that watching at home. Yeah, so I gave Bodie a bath today. When I gave him a bath, it was like 90 Fahrenheit. So I know they enjoyed that because at first he was hesitant to come over, but then once I started washing him and he felt that cool water, yeah, he wasn't trying to get away, because sometimes he tries to slink away, but because it was so hot, he wasn't trying today. Okay, so I guess there's a bird up on that fence. I don't know how hard Bodie's trying to get it, actually. Okay, the bird's gone. Bodie! Bodie, come! Bodie! Bodie! Look! Get it! Yeah, I don't think he's ready to exercise too hard. It's still pretty warm out here. Oh, is your Chihuahua trying to make friends or what? Okay, so what's this Chihuahua's name? Noe?
No ladies for you too?
Noe and what?
Lana? Got the memo for to wear the outfit or what?
How'd you come up with the names for them?
No, man, no, I was never.
The word more,
Okay.
and my sister just got it.
Okay. Hey Julio, how are you doing?
Hey Jeff, how's it going?
All right. I know you used that pool this past weekend, right?
Yes, I did.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I did. Jesus Christ, man, what's this guy here, man?
What'd you say? A polka night? What?
She hasn't been here for years, dude.
A polka night?
Poker night.
Oh.
Poker night. You're always thinking sick stuff.
Is that? How's polka sick?
No, you poker.
It sounded like you said polka.
Because I'm dirty.
What is this? The amazing
You know what?
disappearing
You know what
girl
movie
who
you need
wants
to
to
watch? It's about pedophilia and human trafficking. Is
I heard about it.
Sound of Freedom, bro.
I heard about it, but
These
don't make
guys
me
go-
have to edit my video.
No, they go
please.
after these pedos, dude. Go after.
Yeah.
It's a true story, dude. It's a true story.
So is it the amazing disappearing girl who wants to do the poker night?
At her house, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But
All
you
right.
don't gamble, so you're not
Oh, it's money only?
probably, yeah.
Oh, really?
I gotta be religious, guy.
Okay. I don't even know what that means, but okay. All right. I guess I'll see if Bodie wants to chase this ball. Got a ball right here. Got a ball right here, so see if Bodie wants it. Bodie! Bodie, look! Bodie! Bodie, look, you want the ball? Look, Bodie. Look, 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 Bodie. Sit. Ready? Ready? Get it. Good boy, bud. Ah, you dropped it. Okay, so he changed his mind apparently. Bodie, come! This way! Bodie, look. No, I still have it. He didn't even want it that bad. So yesterday, I had a tumble because of this pit. Okay, the pit is still here.
Those guys used to make 6 figures.
So yeah, the pit is still there. I fell in that yesterday.
Huge commissions.
So yeah, we don't really have the tools here to cover it up. So yeah, but I fell on that. I fell flat on my back, and yeah, I was a little bit sore from it today, but for the most part, I'm doing okay. Bodie, what's going on, huh? Bodie! Bodie, what's going on? Look, 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 look. Come on, Bodie. Come on. Come on, Bodie. Ah, yeah, I still have it. Oh, good boy, Bodie. Good boy. All right, I'm going to get your rope toy. I'm going to give it. I'm going to give it. I'm going to give it. Ha! Okay, you're too fast for me, Bodie. No, I can't do tug of war with you. Maybe just for a second. Look, there you go. There you go. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Hey, did I hear your metal detector over here?
Yeah.
And you made it yourself, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Yeah, but you're working your butt off. Cooking. I bet you it gets crazy during college hours.
Oh wow. Okay. And you made that yourself, right?
They have a bigger.
How'd you find out how to make it?
Like bigger walk thing.
Myself.
Cook in bulk.
I know, but from a book, from a video, what?
Husky
Orange
and
chicken.
the camp I went to,
Chow
the
mein.
dude just gave
Oh, a
us the
camp.
tools, and
Okay.
then we just built whatever we want.
Oh.
But he would give us like two instructions on what to build, and then he would leave us at that.
Oh, okay. What was the name? What kind of camp was it?
Engineering.
Oh, engineering camp. Okay. Okay, that's very cool.
You don't have cuts on your feet because then you get that disease, bro. From shit and cuts, and then you get that.
So you could actually use this to try to find valuables. I don't know if you could use it to find your car keys, because are car keys even made out of metal, really? Yeah. It'll work on keys. Do you have keys? Let's see if it'll work on keys.
I mean, if someone tries to sell you gold ring, you can check to see if it's just painted iron.
Light bulbs.
Oh, okay, these are. Okay, show it again. You made a light bulb. Okay.
This
What's that?
basically just like power the light bulb right there. And
Oh,
then,
okay.
and this,
Okay.
then the piano. This.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, let's see if it works on the keys. Let's see here. Okay, so here's the key. Let's see. Oh wow, okay. That key, I don't think it works on that key. Oh yeah, there it goes.
Yeah, you work for them.
Works on all the keys, huh?
Theater, not the rest.
Okay.
What are they showing?
I don't see nobody
That's
molesting
cool.
people.
Doesn't work on the road,
I
though.
see it.
But you haven't found anything like valuable at the dog park.
Oh, I didn't. Oh, I thought it was theater. No.
25
Actually, I guess you would need like a longer stick or something like
My
that.
dad
Right?
has a metal detector.
Okay. Does he find anything cool?
Not just you.
No, not really.
Just pass it down.
All of us that
Okay.
carry guns.
Every once in a while, I see people here at the dog park walking through there with their metal
Recently, it went
detectors.
from 19 to 23, you know something, and now we got bumped
All right, guys. Sorry that the dogs aren't doing a whole lot. It's just super hot out here, so. Oh, he was here yesterday.
Oh, was he?
Yeah, him and the youngin.
Alex?
Yeah, the youngin.
Asking for Lewis?
No, they weren't asking for
asking
Lewis.
for me because
They were inquiring about Lewis?
we have tension.
Hey, how
What,
was
the
your camping
youngin?
trip?
How could?
Yeah.
How is it you have like beef with everyone? How's that possible?
What are you talking about? Why are you making up lies about me?
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, I have beef with you.
Come on, everybody loves the water boy. Nobody should be having beef with. First of all, I don't even believe your story about that argument. So. I don't believe the story about the argument. All right, guys. Bodie, where are you? Bodie, come on this way. Let's go. Yeah, guys, it looks like we're going to wrap up this video. Yeah, not a whole lot happening. It's just too hot out here for the dogs. I mean, if they're in the shade, it's fine, but yeah, they're not really going to run in this sort of weather, so, or be too active in this sort of weather, I should say. But yeah, we're going to wrap up. We appreciate you watching. Hopefully we captured something that you guys enjoyed seeing. Bodie, come on this way. Let's go. Bodie, come. Yeah, so if you can, please press that like button if you haven't already. Also, if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. And make sure that notification bell is on because more videos are coming soon. Also, we want to thank everyone who watches the ads that help support Bodie. We appreciate that. Along with those of you who pressed the thanks button and have donated to Bodie, thank you for that. Along with those of you who play Bodie's playlist. Bodie, come on this way. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, so before we go, we want to read off a few names of people who watched previous videos and left comments. Just B, Diane, Zang Zang, Buren, Fox Pip, Slick Talker, Lori Love, Bodie, come! Tim Duvall, Terry Gentile, Kat Lamp, Josh Ray, Ginger Counts. Yeah, so hopefully in the next few days we get some cooler temperatures, we get some more activity. Because, gosh, it's going on almost 7 p.m. and it's still warm out here. It's like above 85 degrees. So yeah, guys, we really appreciate you, and we hope we'll see you on the next episode of Bodie's World. Everyone, please stay safe, take care, and hope to see you on the next episode.